Teaching programming is not just about syntax, it's about managing complexity. Sheerpower reduces that complexity, allowing beginners to focus on solving problems instead of fighting the tools. It builds confidence through immediate results and clear behavior. And most importantly, it teaches real programming, using the same patterns that scale from simple exercises to real applications. Most beginners don't fail because syntax is hard. They fail because they are asked to manage too many concepts at once before producing anything meaningful. Sheerpower avoids this by using a single consistent model. Data goes into clusters, you process it, and you produce output. Students can become productive within his model very quickly. Cognitive science shows that beginners struggle when too many new concepts are introduced at once. Learning breaks down not because the material is too hard, but because the mental load is too high. Sheerpower reduces this load by simplifying the model and providing fast, clear feedback. This allows learning to happen naturally through iteration. A major reason beginners give up is the gap between doing nothing and producing something that works. In many languages, that gap is wide and discouraging. Sheerpower keeps that gap narrow. Students can write a simple program, run it immediately, and see real output using the same patterns they will use later. Sheerpower uses a clear and simple syntax that lets students focus on logic instead of rules. Loops and routines follow consistent, readable patterns without braces or complex structure. This allows beginners to understand control flow quickly and build confidence early. Fast feedback is critical for learning. Sheerpower compiles almost instantly, so students can write code and see results immediately. This creates a tight write, run, fix loop, which is one of the most effective ways to learn programming. Sheerpower uses exact decimal arithmetic, which avoids floating point rounding errors. This is especially important for beginners, because it builds trust. Students can focus on solving problems instead of debugging unexpected math behavior. Clusters allow students to work with structured data in a very natural way. They behave like simple in-memory records, similar to a spreadsheet. This lets beginners explore real data problems early, without needing complex frameworks. Sheerpower includes built-in tools for web, statistics, and charting. There's no setup required, everything works immediately. This allows students to explore creative ideas early and turn them into working programs right away. Sheerpower removes many common sources of frustration. There are no memory leaks to manage and no confusing type behavior. Complex details are handled automatically, allowing students to focus on solving problems instead of debugging the language. Sheerpower encourages strong programming habits from the start. Its clear typing and readable structure promote early discipline. Programs behave predictably, helping students build confidence and develop habits that carry into any language. Sheerpower keeps learning engaging through real examples and creative projects. Students can build useful programs right away. This makes programming feel practical, enjoyable, and rewarding from the start. Sheerpower allows programs to grow using the same patterns from the start. There's no need to rewrite code as projects become more advanced. This creates a smooth progression, helping students build larger systems without added complexity. Sheerpower is built on a small, consistent model that reduces cognitive load. Students get immediate feedback, allowing them to learn through iteration. At the same time, the language supports real-world applications, so what they learn early continues to apply as they grow. Nothing learned is wasted, every concept carries forward into real development.